Here it is, 1978 C10. It's another project I'm working on. Take this thing off. Wife likes to put stuff on the hood, so. And then we can down here. All my extra parts. Put a seat cover over it. Took the door panels off. Those are sitting up there. Got to rebuild them. Want to put the redo all this. Started taking it apart to rewire in here. It's pretty good. Rocker panels look good. Well, on this side. New addition to the family. I think I'm gonna go to 18s. But here, so far, is the problems. Typical. Passenger side. And we got a bunch of rust right in there. And there's holes. Whole thing. And then I think I'm gonna assume that that whole deal is the same way. But gotta rebuild the dash a little bit. Put a pad on it. It's not very good. Yep. I'll show you the heart. Hold on. So I've ripped out most of the wires in here. Vortec 350. Gotta clean it up. I'm gonna clean up those wires. I'm gonna get new control arms. Those bushings are shot. Gotta rebuild that guy. Got the Hydro Boost. And same with the cab mounts. And there we go. And that's it. I will post the progress of restoring this thing. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with it yet. The wife wants to go back to original. I kind of want to lower it and do a little bit else. But I think I have a feeling it's going to be a little bit of each. So subscribe and all that good stuff. Can't wait.